Hi, this is Perfect7 and let's get started with the video. Everyone likes a well-maintained garden. It looks beautiful and creates a peaceful and tranquil aesthetic. Sadly, in the busy lifestyle of today, most people feel like they lack the time necessary for it. Little do they know, however, taking care of your garden does not need to take up all of your free time. Just as with any other activity, knowing what to do and how to do it efficiently and effectively is the key. In this article we will go over the basics of garden care, offering you tips and tricks on efficient garden maintenance. The garden care checklist below, you can find the key aspects of garden care which will ensure that your yard looks its best at all times. Take care of your lawn, apply appropriate fertilizers, water your plants on a regular basis, take care of weeds on time, ensure that your plants get enough sunlight, prevent and control pests. Lawn maintenance. Your lawn is one of the most essential parts of a garden and often challenging to get right. It needs to be frequently mowed, keeping the grass at the appropriate levels, its core needs to be properly aerated, and old turf should be carefully replaced. Fertilizers. Better soil equals healthier and more beautiful plants. Although this is something that should be considered before even planting anything, it must also be maintained. To promote flower bud production, for example, you want a fertilizer with small nitrogen concentration, higher phosphorus and just a touch of potassium. Water your plants often. Different plants require different quantities of water. Make sure that you do your research and provide your plants and flowers of choice with just as much water as they need. Too little or too much water and you will risk damaging them. Take care of weeds in time. Not only do weeds not look pretty, but they also use up nutrients that your flowers otherwise should. Furthermore, it is much easier to deal with weeds earlier in their life cycle rather than later. Between mulching, often weeding and cutting off the tops of weeds, the weeds in your garden will barely stand a chance. Sunlight. Everything needs sunlight to grow, humans included. Most of the popular flowering plants will want to be under the direct light of the sun for about 6 hours per day. However, keep in mind that just like everything else, this varies from plant to plant. If possible, move objects around and allow your precious flowers to get as much as they need. Eliminate pests. Yet another point, based on your particular choice of plants. Depending on what you choose to plant in your garden, you might find yourself under attack by various bugs and pests. Reading up on the subject is essential, as reacting sooner rather than later is what will save you the most time, money and hassles. As a general rule of thumb, however, you should try to stay away from dangerous chemicals and stick to organic solutions, as the latter have a much lower chance of hurting your family members, pets and plants than the former. Local Gardeners are a London-based garden care and maintenance company, dedicated to alleviating Londoners from the gardening burden. To quickly and easily get in touch with our experts, you can give us a call at 020-8629-1307. Check out more about Local Gardeners. Thanks for watching.